everybody, welcome back for another video on the channel. This time we'll be looking at the second season of Nyaruko Crawling With Love, and from NIS America. And of course I do have out here, this is the box from the first season. And gotta love these NIS America sets. And I think I mentioned in the previous video for this that not the biggest fan of the series. My biggest reason for picking it up is because it's such an awesome box release. I'm more collecting it for that than I am actually to watch it, but doesn't mean I'm not going to watch it. I will give this a look through, and you know, maybe the second or third time around it's like, yeah, I might warm up to it a little more and get to like it better, but it wasn't one of my absolute all-time favorites when I first watched it, and didn't think I'd go out of my way to get it, but when I saw how awesome the box was for the first release, yeah, just had to pick it up. So let's my goodness, look at that bubble wrap. That is cool. All right, and well, so yeah, I think I've mentioned before, when you order from NIS, they have different extras included, and lately it had been quite a few with what they call like a non-tear or a tear-proof poster. Well, it's not a tear-proof poster this time. Here we have a sheet of punch-out magnets. So that's cute little bonus to have here. You can pop those out and throw them on the fridge or something. And here we have our box for the second season. And we'll have the, let me put the first one up here so we can have that there to kind of draw a couple comparisons. And here we have the one side of the box. And our, this would be the top. Of course, the spine, and spine on this side, no label. This kind of has the viewer information on it, and Blu-ray disc, a region A. It says 2 disc set total, and 1080p, yippee yippee, for those who really care. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the plastic here and see what's inside the box. Always cool, because NIS just, I love the job that they do on these sets. All the artwork they put into them, they're really colorful and really nice boxes. Once again, too, good, sturdy, solid chipboard art boxes that house, of course, on the premium sets, your discs, as long as a hardcover episode guide as well. And here is the hardcover episode guide, the PDA Handbook, Volume 2, and of course in the first one here, same thing. We had the PDA Handbook. This is Volume 1, Planetary Defense Agency Handbook. So designed just like the first season. Points for that. And just kind of go through this quickly here. Got the episode guide, episode 1, episode 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oh, nudity, 9, 10, 11, and episode 12, and let's see, some art galleries, opening theme, ending theme gallery, ending theme 4, ending theme 5, 6, art gallery, swimsuit collection, bonus clothing collection, credits. And let's see, did they, oh yes, well, that's different. They even shrink wrapped the discs as well. Not normally used to them shrink wrapping the individual cases like that. think it's a little unnecessary, but you know, if they want to do that for extra protection for whatever reason, it's up to them. So start off here with episodes 1 to 9 on the first disc. And there we go with the artwork for the outside of the case. There is, of course, no work on the inside, but very nice full color screening. Let you see the disc here. Second season disc 1. And then our second one, once again, little plastic wrap to get through here. We can deal with that. Work on the box outside cover. Go. And disc as well. Alright, so that is the unboxing for NIS's second season set of Nyaruko Crawling with Love. And thanks once again for tuning in for another video on the channel. We'll catch you again soon.